Hey, Dr. G here with naturalfoodsdiet.org, and I want to give all my viewers out there a warning about the next FDA-approved poison that your doctor and the drug companies are going to be handing you. They'll probably give you a free sample over the next few months. Now, the name of this new drug is Liptruzet. Now, that name, to me, even sounds toxic. Now, this drug is a combination of Lipitor, which I know you've heard of, and Zetia, which is another drug, and both of these drugs are famous cholesterol-lowering drugs. Now, you guys probably know that cholesterol makes up most of the dry weight of the brain if you're watching my videos, and most studies show that those with low cholesterol die a lot sooner than those with high cholesterol. Now, that's not counting the relatively rare familial disorder, familial hyperlipidemia, which affects about 1 in 500 people. But based on studies showing that Liptruzet lowers LDL cholesterol more than Lipitor alone, it was approved by the FDA. Now, in the same study, it also showed that it didn't reduce heart disease one little bit. And there's already been a very similar combination drug, and you probably heard of it, Vytorin, that's already on the market. Now, a 2009 Journal of the American Medical Association article reported, and I quote, "The use of Zetia combined with a statin led to a paradoxical increase in the degree of atherosclerosis in association with a greater reduction in LDL cholesterol. An effect we hypothesize may stem from unintended biologic effects of this agent." Now, that was a report from mainstream scientists. In other words, they're saying this drug doesn't work. And these weren't health nuts like me. These were mainstream scientists. So Vytorin doesn't work. So they made Liptruzet. Okay, so why come up with a useless Frankendrug? And that's what I call a combination of two toxic drugs for the price of one. Well, it's all about the money, baby. You see, Lipitor made Merck a cool $125 billion since its launch. Is that astounding? Now, that kind of money greases many, many wheels, and it obviously affects the FDA and their approval process. How else could you possibly explain that a new drug combination with no evidence that it helps heart disease could possibly be approved? Now, Lipitor made so much money because of its tremendous popularity among doctors and patients, I guess you could say. But now the patent is expired. So they have generic competition, and that usually means that about 80% of their sales will quickly or have already quickly evaporated. So what's the answer? Frankendrug time. It's really genius. You take an obsolete drug that has no proof of helping any disease. In fact, the one report said it actually hastens it. Add to that the most overprescribed and profitable medication that was ever developed, and voila, you have a fresh patent and 14 more years of billion-dollar profits. Now, take it from me, the statin drugs or this new probably deadly combination are not the way to get healthy, believe it or not. Now, if you want a good summary of the reasons to avoid statin drugs, read the recent book, How Statin Drugs Really Lower Cholesterol and Kill You One Cell at a Time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Talk soon.